Welcome to Money Conversations with Magical. Buzz Buzz. Hello everyone, I'm Buzz the Bee, here to explain the Kenya Shilling Money Market Fund in a simple, friendly way. The fund is a competitive yielding money market investment with low management fees and maximum security of capital. The fund seeks to maximize interest income while preserving capital and providing immediate liquidity through investment in high-quality money market instruments. The fund may only invest in cash and money market instruments with a weighted average duration not exceeding 18 months. Money market instruments include corporate bonds, negotiable certificates of deposit, call deposits, and government securities. The primary objective of the money market fund is to generate income from a diversified portfolio whilst ensuring investment risk is contained. The main guiding principles are placing a high priority on the security of the investments, ensuring the portfolio is diversified, and that investors have immediate access to their funds as desired. Why invest in the Kenya Shilling Money Market Fund? Liquidity. Investors can easily access or redeem their invested funds. Low risk. The fund is focused on preserving capital and minimizing investment risk. It primarily invests in high-quality, short-term debt securities. Stability of returns. The fund invests in selected money market instruments, providing an income yield and a high degree of capital stability. Competitive yields. While prioritizing safety and liquidity, the fund strives to provide a yield that is competitive compared to prevailing market interest rates. So, if you're looking for a safe, liquid way to grow your Kenya Shilling savings, this money market fund is a great choice. Thanks for tuning in to Money Conversations with Magical. Buzz off. See you next time.